It's time to wash our hands. 1, 2, here we go! First we turn the water on, wait until the dirt is gone. Get your hands a little wet, we aren't finished with them yet. Take the soap and give a squeeze, bubbles growing with such ease. 1 big pump and maybe 2, lots of soap for me and you.
Rub your palms together now, let us show you just how. Round and round and round they go, watch the white bubbles grow.
Now we wash the backs as well, can you see the soapy smell? Left hand, right hand, scrub them clean, the prettiest hands I've ever seen. In between the fingers too, that is what we like to do. Clean the nails and clean the tips while the soapy water drips.
Time to rinse the soap away, we are finished for the day. Under the water let them slide, nowhere left for germs to hide.
Grab the towel and pat them dry, hold your clean hands to the sky. Pat, pat, pat until they're done, washing hands is so much fun.
Clean hands, all gone! Great job!